Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mathematics by Fana. Today let us see the 11th question of exercise 11.1. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade length of 25 cm sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. They have given us that a car has two wipers and their length is 25 centimeters and they sweep an angle of 115 degrees. And they do not hit each other. So we have to find the area cleaned at each sweep. So therefore, area cleaned at each sweep of blades is 2 times of area of sector, because there are two wipers. 2 times of theta by 360 into pi r square. We know theta is 115 degrees into pi is 22 by 7 and radius is 25 centimeter. 25 into 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35. 5 2s are 10. 2 3s are 6. 2 6s are 12. 2 18s are 36, 2 11s are 22. Now we are left with 115 into 11 into 5 into 25 divided by 18 into 7. On further solving, 115 into 11, that is 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1. Similarly 115, on adding we get 5 6 2 1 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30 plus 2 32. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6 into 25. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16, 5 6 are 30 plus 1 31, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. On adding we get 5 2 11 8 5 1. We are left out with 158, 158, 125 divided by 18 into 7, that is 7 8s are 56, 7 1s are 7 plus 5 12. We are left with 1,58,125 divided by 126. On further solving, 158,125 divided by 126. 126 1s are 126, 2, 3, bringing down 1. 126 2s are 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4 5, 2 252. 3s are 126, 3s are 3 6 are 18, 3 2s are 6 7, 3 1s are 3 378. So we get 126 2s are 252. On subtracting we get 9 6, bringing down that 2. 126 5s are 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13, 5 1s are 5 6 30. 5 6 30, 2 6, bring down the 5. We are left with 4. 4 6 are 24, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. Putting a decimal point and 0. 126, 9s are 9 6 are 54, 9 2s are 18 plus 5 23, 9 1s are 9 plus 2 11. 9s are 1 1 3 4. On subtracting we get 6 7, putting a 0. 126 6 are 6 6 are 36, 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15, 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7 756. 126 into 6 is 756 4. So we get the answer as 1254.96 centimeters square. This is the area swept by two wipers. Thank you. Happy learning.